So now we're going to work on the stack. That's the second part, the stack. If you look here, there's a cylinder, and then it goes from a small cylinder to a larger cylinder, and then back to a smaller cylinder with this degree. So this is an extrusion on the bottom, and then a loft, and then a tapered extrusion with some holes. So you're going to need to be able to analyze this and figure that out. So let's start. So we're going to go to File, New. We're going to do a standard part. We'll do our first little cylinder, and that's a diameter, so we don't need to multiply it by 2 because it already tells us the diameter. That's 0.5. We'll extrude that 0.25 because that's how much it tells us. So that's 0.25. And now we're going to have to figure out where this goes. And to do this, we're going to have to offset a plane. Something like this is definitely going to be on a test. So we're going to offset a plane. We'll press that. The question is how much. So if you look from here to here, that line or that circle is 1.5, but it includes this 0.25 that you already did. So you have to subtract it. So it's going to be 1.25. And then you'll put a sketch on here. And make sure that it gets green there so that it lines up. And let's see, that's another diameter it tells us, so we don't need to multiply. 1.25. And now my favorite feature is Loft. So we're going to loft it. Then we'll put a sketch here, and we'll make a circle that's the exact same size, really. And we're going to extrude that. Now, if you look at tapers in, it says 15 degrees. So we're going to need to make it 15 degrees, and it's going out, so we'll change it to in. And this distance is 0.25 because 1.5 minus 1.75 is 0.25, so that works out. Okay. So we'll do our first bigger extrusion, bigger circle, so that's 0.875. And it's 0.375 deep. See how that arrow goes? Let's make sure, yep. We'll do another sketch. Make sure you click here. And so that's 0.375. And we'll make it go down here. We'll cut away. And it says 1.5. I don't want to see it, so I'm going to right click here. I don't want to see the plane. And I can right click on it and change the visibility. And that's our stack. So I'll save it. Save as. Make sure you're in your iDrive. iDrive. And that's All right. Tune in next time.